The first step, reset the lock. Open the battery cover, find the set button and press for 5 seconds. Then press the hash key. Reset successfully. Step 2. Administrator Information Setting. Press the Start key and Hash key. Enter the administrator whatever you want. It should be 6 to 10 digits. Then press Hash key to confirm. Enter again. Confirm again. Setting successfully. Step 3. User Information Setting. Press the Start key and Hash key. Enter the administrator password. Then press the Hash key. Add user, please press 1. Then enter the user password. It could be fingerprint, password, or card. When the fingerprint active successfully, you can continue to add password or card one by one, as the video shows.